Hello, little buddies. This is Frozendoll reading for you. Today I am reading the book Curious George Makes a Valentine. George loves mornings. Mornings that smell like waffles are the best. I made you breakfast, George, said the man with the yellow hat. Happy Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is the day we show our friends how much we care about them. George loved Valentine's Day so far. I am glad the waffle is good, George, said the man. I have something else for you too. George was surprised when the man gave him a Valentine card. What a special day! George made a Valentine for the man. George made a Valentine for the man too. It took a long time, but it turned out great. George wanted to make cards for all his friends, but that would take too long. How could he make a lot of cards quickly? Of course, a stamp. But none of George's stamps was right for Valentine's. Then George had an idea. He would make a heart stamp from his foam blocks. George was curious. What shapes make a heart? 2 half circles and 2 triangles worked perfectly. But even with his new heart stamp, making enough cards would take too long. George needed a way to stamp a lot of cards fast. Valentine's Day would be over soon. Maybe George could stamp quickly on a pogo stick. He did stamp a lot of cards, but the pogo stick stamp was messy. Cleaning up took a long time. Now he really needed a super fast stamper to finish his cards. A tricycle stamper was less messy than the pogo stick stamper, but his cards got stuck. Valentine's Day was almost over and George still had only 3 cards. George was worried. But wait! The waffle iron was unplugged and cool. Could that be the perfect stamper? George taped his heart stamps over the waffle iron. It worked! George was proud of his cards and his stamper. His friends loved his handmade valentines. And he saved the most important one for last. That was Frozendoll reading Curious George Makes a Valentine. Hope you all enjoyed the story. See you soon again.